Hello, welcome back to the channel. So we have discovered another park, or I have, in Deventer, which I also saw on Google Maps, with a fountain, which you can see it quite clearly on Google Maps. I'll just see if I can zoom in on that here. There it is. So we're going to go and check out this park. There's like a bird island in the middle of it apparently. Let's go and see what's there. First of all, we have to get across the bridge. Got to watch out there's no trolls or anything here to challenge us. Let's go and check it out. Oh, bicycle parking. Turkey enclosure, or guinea fowl by the looks of it. I think some of them have escaped. Let me just park the bike here a minute, then we'll take a closer look. Just secure the bike with the lock. Oh, this is Bird Island, Vogel Island. History. That tells you a bit about the history of it in Dutch. So, it's going to take too long for me to translate it because my translation is slow. The one inside the cage, you're not allowed in there, but are they allowed out? Someone's left the gate open, and there we have the guinea fowl, 3 of them. Let's go and check them out. Wonder if there's any more of them around the back. Yeah, they're not going to stand still, they're going to run away. But yeah, this is their house with a mosaic on the roof. So this is Bird Island. I wonder who left the gate open. I'm guessing they're just allowed to wander around free during the day. Let's go and see what's in the other cage across the side, other side there. They've got various enclosures here and mosaics. You can hear the train rumbling in the background. Oh, another mosaic here. What have we got in here? Some birds with babies. They look just like chicks, like baby chickens. Let me just detach the camera here a second, and we can get a better look. There's one here that's digging in the sand. I don't know what it's up to. But yeah, check out the tail on these. They've got long tails. They're digging in the sand for worms or something. That one's quite colourful in yellow there. Difficult to see through the fence, I'm guessing. That's their house there. We'll take a walk around the other side. You've come here for each other. That tells you a bit about it. Colourful looking bird there. And there's another one up there at the top. And one right up the top there. Another up there. Different colour parrots. There's another one just somewhere there. Don't know if you can make it out. One in the box in the background. So this is Bird Island. You can get up the top on the pathway there. Let me take a walk around and go and check it out from there. That one's trying to dig a hole in the sand. I think it's trying to escape. It's digging an escape tunnel. That's my guess anyway. I'm going to have a look around from the top. See if we can see them any better from up there. I did see a pathway leading around. Check the size of this tree. That's quite amazing. Some big trees here. They've been here for a long time. And they'll probably still be for a long time. There we go. Now we can get a better look from up here. What a colourful bird that is. Yeah, just mowing that mini patch of grass and wiping the stuff out. You can see that bird down there digging itself into the sand. So you can see that other one with the long tail, the yellow bird. See if we can get a better view from up here. They're all foraging for food there. And there's the one in the box up top there. So I'm guessing they all live alright together. They got all the brushes and cleaning stuff for them there. This is the entrance to the cage. Oh, there's two more green ones on the feeder there. Just there. And another small bird that sneaked into the cage in the background to grab some seed. So that's that side of it. Right, this is the next enclosure. Zoom out a bit here. They have all sorts of tropical birds in here as well. Very colourful ones. Oh, they've even got a cockatiel up there in the background. Two of them. And there's an elephant. Oh, that one's coming down to mow the grass. There's one just sitting there on the side. Very colourful birds. That one I think is a cockatoo or something, on that's mowing the lawn. And on this side there's like a glass fountain. Big chunks of glass. I think there's some fish in there. I saw some activity in the water. Not sure what that was. Let's go and check out the rest of it then. A bird box on the tree there as well. That's one of the entrances to the park, and then you've got a cafe, yeah, where you can get drinks and snacks and ice creams and things. Interesting bird box up there. It's a pyramid shape. Just over there. And there's guinea fowl about. I think those are the same ones. And there's a peacock. Check it out. Beautiful long feathers. I wonder whether they put that away in the cage at night for safety, for protection or what. So yeah, that's Bird Island. We'll have a look around the rest of the park to see if there's anything interesting and continue the footage. Right, the peacock has decided to show us its anus. It is displaying its feathers there for some reason. Amazing how big it can make itself look when it does that. Let's see if it turns this way. That's turned its butt on us. It would be impressive to be able to see that from the other side. Let me see if I can take a walk around and see the colour of the feathers. We've got to do a 180 on it. It's turning its back on us. Oh, now it's putting them down again. It must have been getting annoyed about something, or I think they normally do that when they want to chase predators away on it. Quite impressive feathers. Okay, so down there is the peacock. Don't know if you can see it somewhere down there. This just gives you a bit of an idea of the view from up top on Bird Island. So we just walked around on the pathway to check it out and see what else there is. That's pretty much all there is to it. There's a river on that sort of surrounds the place, and there's a bridge there. I wonder if it's a drawbridge where you can get into the park, so you've got to go across a bridge on that side or that side to get in. So that was Bird Island in Deventer. It's quite a pleasant place, nice and quiet. Well, you can't hear the traffic in the background, but it's peaceful, let's put it that way. It's nice just to sit and watch the birds and stuff. And you can check out all the different tropical birds in the aviaries, or even go for a coffee or an ice cream there. So yeah, from the park in Deventer, signing off. Until the next one, stay safe and well, and bye bye for now.